huge uproar over UK's admission over helping the Indira Gandhi government in planning Operation Blue Star continues. A furious Akali Dal threatening to move an adjournment motion against the government. The controversy is only getting bigger with each passing day. Faced with all these tough questions doing the rounds, the question is, will the Congress tender an apology?
Fuming with anger, they took to the streets, questioning why Indira Gandhi's government felt the need to seek UK's help in planning Operation Blue Star.
Things were allowed to go so out of hand and all for political gains. This whole thing was premeditated and pre-planned because in 1983 September, they say the military advisor came and did a recce of the Golden Temple, and the attack finally takes place in 1984 in the month of June.
And today, the Shiromani Akali Dal is set to corner the government by bringing in the adjournment motion in both houses of parliament over this startling revelation by UK's Foreign Secretary.
February 1984, in the early stages of the crisis, the then British government sent a military officer to give advice to the Indian government about their contingency planning.
Nation asked this explanation from the Congress leadership why they kept their own country in dark for that long, that they took the foreign assistance to attack the religious place of a minority. When the government of Britain has exposed the Indian government, is it not incumbent for the government of India to tell the nation what they have done?
And expectedly, the outrage isn't limited to the Akalis alone.
It was our internal problem. So why do I have to take the help of United Kingdom, Great Britain, in dealing with our people? This is really shameful.
मैं समझती हूँ कि ऐसे मामले में उनको बाहर के किसी कंट्री का एडवाइस नहीं लेना चाहिए था, उनका दखल नहीं होना चाहिए था.
But in the line of ire, an unapologetic Congress has outrightly ruled out the possibility of a probe.
Well, unnecessarily, BJP and Akali Dal, they are trying to take advantage of the situation and they are trying to flare up the whole issue. So far, there is no consideration of any probe or anything.
While I have a deep respect for people who want to go into things with profundity, I think it is also important that the healing process must be allowed to go on.
The Akalis and other Sikh groups across the country are now demanding an unconditional apology.
मैं चाहता हूं कि बरतानिया की सरकार को भारत में आकर और श्री दरबार साहब में आकर प्रधानमंत्री को वो माफी मांगनी चाहिए अपने इस किए हुए जो गलत कदम उठाया है बरतानिया की सरकार.
The Blue Star controversy only intensifying by the minute. For now, it remains to be seen if the government will pay heed to the clamour for an apology and a complete probe into the matter. Bureau Report, Times Now.